Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your games are not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. When you look for your game as Mobile Legends game or something like that and you don't have it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store where we press on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control, which is on right now. Two visible game as Mobile Legends games, Teamfight Tactics or something like this, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press that. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And now we can easily change it from PG3 to PG we need, maybe PG16, by tap there, confirm by other slot and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all, we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now. And we can install it. See you soon, bye!